Hey, this is for my absent kids who are missing school for the amusement park assignment. Okay, so basically you're making a map, okay? And we kind of already went over what maps look like in class, but in case you forgot, okay, I'm showing you here's the assignment I'm looking at that's due. Okay, this is what you're missing in school. Okay, so in this assignment that's in classroom, okay, there's an example of I'll just open it up. There's an example of two maps. This is kind of what I'm looking for to give you a sense of my expectations for your map. Okay. So here we see a map. It's very clear labeled. There's a nice little compass here. We have a key. Again, it's very easy to read. It's pleasant to the eye, and it looks like a map. Okay, so there's an easy, clear theme. I believe the theme is nature. Okay, so that's there if you need it. Okay, I've also attached a scoring guide, and this is the scoring guide. I'm going to use this to grade your maps. Okay, so as I'm reading your maps, I'm going to be mentally going through this checklist here. I'm going to say, okay, I can see their title. Okay, there's their key. It's easy to locate. Okay, they have 7 rides. The rides are labeled. Okay, they have 3 shops. The shops are labeled. Okay, so again, I'll just go ahead and show you. Here's an example of a student. Okay, should probably hide the name. This is a student who turned one in. This is exactly what I'm looking for. Okay, very easy to read, great detail. Okay, perfect. Okay, now again, I'm not an art teacher. I don't expect you know the Sistine Chapel, but I do expect that it should be easy to read, right? It's a map. Okay. So less is more. Good luck. I'm here if you need me, and have a good day.